Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you some common syntax mistakes when declaring variable names in Master2. So, as you can see, I declared this variable name as not underline result. Instead of using a white space to separate these two words, I used a underline character. And that is because Master2 does not accept white spaces in variable name. So if I were to declare the same variable name as not space result, and then compile my code, Master2 would give me a syntax error. Another rule that applies to variable names is that you cannot use numbers as first characters. So if I were to type 123 result and then compile my code, the same error message would appear. And finally, I cannot use special characters in variable names. So if I were to type it in, for example, an @ character or ampersand, and then compile the code, the same error messages appears. And another good practice to take when declaring new variable names is to not use any name that Master2 already uses in the project. So let's say, for example, I want to name my variable user_prg. And as you can see here, we already have a program named user_prg, and that could cause some conflicts in the future. So if you declare a variable name that has some similarities with any name that Master2 already uses in the project, it's not very recommended. And that is all the rules that applies to variable names, and I see you on the next video.